Let's start. So the project name is Toast. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity and, in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI first. Nothing special here, we just have a text view with hello world text in it. Let's see the code. We have constraint layout as the root layout. Then we have a text view with hello world text. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we have written a toast function, which has this as the context, and it.wala as the text, and the length of this toast is long. A toast can have two lengths. One is long and the other is short. At last, we have a .show function, which shows this toast in the app. Let's run the app. So, you can see a toast with text it.wala in it. That's it, that's how you can show a toast in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.